Hi everyone, I'm Miss Maria and this is my son.
Hi, my name is Juwan.
So today we are going to make
Peanut butter jelly sandwich.
If you are a parent like me and doing distance learning or home schooling with your kids, this is one good activity for you guys to do. This is step by step on how to make peanut butter and jelly sandwich so that your kids will learn it and hopefully they could do it on their own. Right, Ewan?
Yeah.
Okay, so show them what's the first thing that you need. You need what? What is this?
Jelly.
You need the jelly. And then we need
Peanut butter.
the peanut butter. And then we need the
Bread.
bread. We also need
Spoons.
spoon. So first, what do we need to do, Ewan?
We need to open the jar
Of the jelly.
jelly.
And then scoop it. And then put it on the bread.
On the bread.
And spread it. Spread it some more. Some more, Ewan. Okay. Do you want to spread it more?
No.
Okay, maybe Mama will help you.
Okay.
So let's spread it more. Like that. Until the bread is covered. I'm going to show them so it looks like this.
Yeah.
And then now, we need
the peanut butter.
We need the peanut butter. So go scoop the peanut butter.
Scoop the peanut butter.
And
And
then
then on the bread.
put it on the other bread and
Yeah.
spread it. Spread it.
I can spread it.
Very good.
Done?
Okay, you're done?
Yeah.
That's enough for you?
Yeah.
Okay, put your spoon down. And then what do we do now, Ewan?
We fold it.
Put it. Okay. And now their peanut butter and jelly is ready,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
You want to show them?
They'll
So now the peanut butter and jelly is done and Ewan's ready to eat it, right? Is it good? All right, so we wish everyone to be safe and we hope that you're having a nice time at home while we are in quarantine. So watch out for more videos that we'll make together, right, Ewan? Bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.